actually, no, it's called Gold Digger Fervor. So I was just looking, I was just thinking about something to do. And then I saw this pop up on my thing for Halloween games. So I guess this is gonna be Halloween themed. And so I was just playing through it to see if it was good. And so we have to bash these rocks. And then we have to dodge the explosion. And now we have to go up. Now, I don't really know what this is. It's like a puzzle game, I think. Mining Inc. Welcome home. Okay, let's go there. Oh, tap the shop to open it. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're excited for this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This is a straw hat, a hard hat, a helmet, a Daft Punk robot hat, and a hat for your hat. More protection. So it does show ad because I'm pretty sure this is just a mobile game on a PC game. Like on the PC. This is a chest. We got a shovel and a straw hat. Awesome. Ooh, a thrift shop. Ooh, can we get new clothes? Oh, we just sell. Okay, now we can just go digging for whatever we want. Is somebody... Did I click on it? What? Hello there, stranger. Are you new here? No, you're new here. Oh, her name's the Oracle. Well, I mean, I know how to use this shovel pretty well. So, okay, then. I am. Let's go on, shall we? Sure. Hats will protect you from falling rocks. Wow. Not interested. I already got one. But I'll do that. Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you for nothing. Bye. So, I guess all we just mine, I guess. It's kind of fun that we just mine. So it's basically Minecraft, except it's just mining. I don't know what the point of this game is. There's no sound on it. Oh no, there is. I just had my headset muted. So I guess we just... Ooh, gold. Oh, wait. We can collect minerals. Remember, this is called mining, with gold mining, gold digger fever. So I'm assuming that something to do with... Wait. Oh yeah, so you can swim too. Oh my god, my cats are fighting. My dog and my cat are fighting, actually. So I guess we just can mine. It said there was a Halloween game, which is kind of suspicious. Because I ain't seeing no Halloween connection with this. But by the way, guys, happy Halloween. Today's Halloween. Okay, that rock is unbreakable. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to find, like, something that's going to kill us or something, like zombies. But besides that, we're just gonna be mining. I wonder if we can, like, mine out everything. By the way, guys, this is a really hard game, because I have to use arrow keys, and I cannot do arrow keys. I just cannot. I think this is also kind of a puzzle game. Or at least I think it is. So these rocks... Oh no, my hat lost. So these explode? Yeah, so you have to put 3 rocks together for it to explode and do something. Very great. I just found some more gold. So these right here, I have to do this, and I can push that down, And if I got these other ones. Oh yeah, the music kind of sounds Halloween-y. Go down. If I do that, and then I can go and grab this one, I think. Wait, actually, I can just... Oh, this is confusing. Okay, I can do this. Do that. Yeah, and I think these rocks do stuff. So if I can break this. Okay, this is going to take long. Hopefully I can make this just a short video because I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing in this. Oh no, goals. Okay, perfect. So there's different rocks. So I just found a sedimental rock. So, actually wait, let's go up, go down. Oh, this is going to be impossible, but for some reason I'm not losing oxygen. So that's kind of useful. It's only when I'm swimming for some reason. It's weird. Because my face is under the water. I guess because it's not actually like enough water to, yeah. So my plan is to mine this and then mine the block next to me. Well, actually what I could do is I can then mine it down like that, so all the water is down there, so this will be a lot quicker, hopefully. And then I can push the rock that's right next to me into this hole that I'm digging, and then I can get another one, this one right here. Oh, I can just use my mouse while I'm doing this. So yeah, like this rock I could use. I hate the ads. Let me just delete that ad. Okay. Now that that's done, oh, it gave me a ladder. So yeah, there's some things are under different things. So we can push that down now, which is awesome. And then I can break this one. Ooh, I know, I can break this one, and then I can push, I guess they kind of look like diamond blocks, right? So I can, so what I can do is, so I can go under here, mine that piece of dirt, which will then make that fall down. This is smart. Now I can break this. I think 3 of these rocks can make a connection, right? Or does it have to be the same? It's like, am I doing this all for nothing? It's kind of an open world game, which is kind of nice. So we can like mine whatever we want. So now we can hopefully push this one. Okay, yeah, it has to be same rock. Great. Let's mine this. I don't know what's happening. Let's just forget about this. Activate, please. Yeah, okay, that doesn't work. We could just do this, though. Ooh, I think I got a good idea. So I can mine that, then that, and then this. I really want, you know what? Let's just forget about this. Whoa. Let's go and see what the upgrades, the new upgrades are. Oh, there's the ladder. Okay, that rock is unbreakable. Can we just dig down? Oh my god, we can. Is there a ladder in every single one of these? There is. Awesome. Yeah, it's really random how there's so many random ladders. So it said upgrades. So in here maybe? Or in the thrift shop? No. Okay, everything. What is in here though? Come closer, okay. Is this close enough for you? I think it's too close. Did you, no. Get more coins by making rocks explode. Okay. Oh, this is perfect. We can push that down. That's 6. So those are gonna all explode. It shows the hazard areas. Oh yeah, maybe I shouldn't go down there. So that gave me coins. Oh great, I'm stuck down here now. Unless I do this. Which is going to take forever. I'm stuck down here, great. Oh, actually, no, I'm not. Okay, yep, I am. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, yes, I am. Thank God there's another ladder here. Okay, yeah, I'm still stuck. It's good to unlock all the ladders possible. Ooh, I know. Let's go! Oh no, I think I'm just in the blast radius. Am I though? Okay, I'm not now. Okay. Still stuck though. I'm still stuck. Ooh, that's awesome. Awesome. I'm getting so I can get out of here. It's just gonna take a while. Give me a sec. Okay, guys, it turns out I can just drop down and go up this ladder. That actually works. Ooh, there's a present. What was the present? I don't know. Okay, great. So I guess the oracle's just a quest giver, right? What's this doing? Oh. Oh, it's making the ladder into a, one of those things. Yes. Amazing, looking good. It's like I'm wearing it, come on now. Thank you. Sure. So this, while that thing's making this into a, yo, what's this? Stuff right up, who wants to win prizes? Me? Okay. How do I get through there? You know what? Screw it, let's just go down. So this is not a Halloween game, I guess. It lied to me, but still, it's fun. It was fun. Okay, yep, it is a Halloween game. It's just a more suspicious Halloween game because it does stuff like that. It makes like 0 sense. Yeah, so was this game worth it playing. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have a Windows 11, it will have this when you click the Windows key. Because what I did was I just clicked Windows, I clicked this, and this is where it came up. It just came up there. So, yeah, it was kind of fun. It was definitely fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't think I'm ever really going to go back to this. Okay, no, this is a Halloween themed game. I think, but what it is it's not a Halloween themed game, but it just has a Halloween update every year. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm about to do something that is totally illegal in Games with Digging. I'm just gonna dig straight down. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I had a great time playing this game. I hope you did too. Well, watching me play this game, I guess. If you do want to see more of this, make sure to comment down below. I don't think anybody's going to really want to see any more of this, but yeah, if you do, make sure to leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Go!